Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to connect your hosting a domain to your Blogger account. So let's jump in. The first thing we want to do is grab our domain name. So we're going to go over, use the panel on the top of our page and jump into domains. And here we want to just highlight our actual domain that we would like to connect to Blogger, hold in Control and tap on C on our keyboard. This will now copy that domain. We're going to go over to Blogger, and on the left hand side you will see your menu. You want to run to settings. Now in settings you're going to just scroll a little bit down and look for publishing, and under publishing you will see custom domain. Now let's tap on this, and over here we want to paste that domain that we just copied. So we're going to go Control V on our keyboard, and there it is. We also want to just add in www dot over here, and we're going to tap on save. Now this is not all of the work. This is the easy part, right? The next step involves grabbing some information from here and transferring it into hosting it. So what we're going to do is, while we're here, we are going to just click on our domain and open it up. And on the left hand side, you want to jump into the DNS/name servers. Over here, the first thing you want to do is remove or delete all of these DNS records. Okay, if you have any name types which are MX, leave those ones on. Alright, so you want to delete everything. Once you've deleted everything, we're going to create new records. So the first bit of information that we need is from Blogger, and as you can see over here, it says your domain name, system settings, and enter the following two. Okay, so the CNAMEs, this is the first one over here. So we're going to copy this information over here. So once you've got that information, you're going to go ahead and choose the type. It's going to be CNAME. The name over here will be www, and your target is the information that we just went ahead and we copied. All right, that's what that'll look like, and your TTL will be exactly the same. You're going to go ahead now and tap on add record, and this has now been added. Now the next thing that we need to do is go over again to our Blogger. So from here we're going to go ahead and grab this piece of information. All right, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to go back in here. Now again, our type is going to be CNAME. Underneath the name, you're going to enter this information, and we're going to go back here to our Blogger, and here where it says destination, you're going to copy this information to the .com, and you're going to post that in over here. Now again, just make sure that there are no spaces like there is over here in the beginning of that target. And again, we're going to go ahead to the right hand side and tap on add record. So our mission is not over yet. We're going to jump back onto that Blogger page, and over here there is a support link, right? And we're going to just right click on this and say open in new tab. You will get this one over here. So this is the Blogger support, and we're going to go down here until you see the next step. So it says over here, redirect URL without subdomain to your blog's URL. Now you'll see these 4 port numbers. What we're going to do is we're going to copy each one individually. So let's copy our first one. We're going to say Control C, and we're going to go back over to our hosting page, and here we are going to create more records. So the type will stay the same, the name will stay the same, and the points to will put that number in, and we're going to say add record. Now the very next thing you need to do is go back into this page. Now once you've done that, you're going to take this one over here, which is the second number, and you're going to go back over here and you are going to paste it here. And again, your type, your name will stay the same, as well as your TTL, and you're going to just paste that new number in there and tap on add record. Now if you get this notice, just tap on confirm. That's fine. You'll have that created successfully. We're going to go back in here and we're going to tap on this again. We're going to copy it and we are going to paste it in here. We'll now have to say confirm again, and we're going to go back into this one and do the last one here. We're going to tap on copy, go back in here, paste it, and tap on add record and confirm. All right, so now we are done. So the final steps involve going to Blogger and just tapping on this redirect domain to, and this will be your domain. You're going to put this on. And if you go ahead and you type in your domain, it will come up with an error. So let's go up here and say how to harbor.online. And if you hit enter, it'll give you this error message. Now, this doesn't mean that it doesn't work. This just means that it'll take some time to actually register. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to open up a new tab and just go into DNS Checker and tap on enter. It'll be your first result. It's dnschecker.org. And right over here on the top left, you want to go ahead and paste your domain name and tap on search. Now, what this will do is give you an indication that all your servers are running correctly. Now, even though the transfer may take some time, this DNS checker makes sure that your server is actually running. So give it some time. It will eventually come up as your Blogger website and you're all sorted. If this video was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. If you have any questions, drop it in the section below and support us so that we can continue to make helpful videos for you. We'll see you in another one.